It has started to snow outside. The wind has been pretty wicked. I have to say that. My pumpkin is still out there. Oh, look at that. My little house. Can you see it? Maybe if I go over here, you can. There you go. The boot house. There's the pumpy can. That poor guy should have gone out and got him. But yeah. We're supposed to get 30 to 40 centimeters. No idea what that is in inches. This is all anybody and everybody's been talking about today. Let's see, can you see my... There, now you can see my little pinwheel. Yeah. It's a howling out there. Can you see the other one? Okay, there it is. The other pinwheel, that one seems to be more stationary. I think that's the one you're looking at. Yeah. We did lose one of our original pinwheels a few years ago with the storm. It's 9:15, oh, actually almost 9:30. So, yeah, you hear that? That's the wind. Of course, that's also crazy Mimi in the background. I've been working on my... Oh, that's a smart idea. I have been working on my diamond painting. What is this? As soon as I mention it, I start yawning. The plastic on it is extremely hard to get off. And I thought maybe they had it upside down. But when I flipped it, I had to have hubby help me to pull it back off. So now I don't have the plastic on it at all. I've thrown it out. So I'm trying to get as much coverage on it as possible before I put it away. It's going pretty good. I think you can see. There, you can see it. It's just a moving. Coming from the east. So this is just the start of it, apparently. So we'll see. I'll look out again a bit later and see how things are going. Keep you guys updated. Doesn't look like there's any real accumulation on the road or on the sidewalks. They have, since yesterday or since this morning, I've been hearing trucks going up and down. Could be the ones with the snow removal, which they should have done, which they didn't. Only where the bus shelters are has it been cleared. But other than that, so... And our daughter called and said that our buses are going to be on Saturday service, which is horrendous. So it will not be fun trying to get to work tomorrow. And Lord knows what time we'll even get to work tomorrow. The one bus we're not worried about. The second bus we shouldn't be. But no, the first and the third buses, not that worried. But the second one, that can be very problematic. So I'm not sure. We'll have to see when we get up at 3:15 exactly what's what. Some people did come in. Well, one gentleman did come into work today, which is usually his day off because he's not going to be there tomorrow because of the weather. So everybody's, I think some people are actually looking forward to having it, to getting that much snow so that they can stay home. Those that can are the ones that are in the offices. They can work from home. But two of the other, or three, maybe even four, of the other locations in the building, they have to be there. I mean, unless it's that bad that they can't get out from where they are. But we'll just wait and see. So let me put you on hold, and then I'll show you the what do you call it? The diamond painting. Okay, so this is it. It is a scene from a cottage with the campfire. Oh, or bonfire, I guess you would call it. Last night I did all the blue, which isn't that much blue. And then I did some of the orange. The oranges are very close in color. Some of them you can't even tell that it's a different one. But that's supposed to be the moon reflecting on the water. See the Adirondack chairs. I'm just now filling in with the black as much as I can do. I've started in through here. I've got that. So just bit by bit. This one's a pleasure to do because I can actually see what the numbers and letters are. They're not that small. Holy mackerel. We had taken the plastic off of the door, so we've got well, there's a cat going behind it right now. But you can see it move with the wind. So I've got the heater going here. I've got my blanket. It's actually cozy on hubby's side where the bed is. Oh, or maybe that's because I was standing by the heater. I don't know. Or the rad. So I'm going to try and get as much done as I can. But this is it so far. And I do like doing them in landscape. It is easier. If the plastic was better, like last night I was doing it in half and half, which was great. But psychotic cats, that's the sassy pants, being chased by a Pearl. Yeah, I sounded like Aaron from Hey Everybody. Sassy jumped up on the table here, and I'm like, get down, get down, get down, get down. In a panic, she just carefully went over this and didn't step on it. But what else? Went to work. I think I'm getting the cold. My throat's a little sore tonight. Not that bad. That's Pearl Girl. Went to have a blood test done. Of course, as I knew, they couldn't get anything. Oh my God. The girl that called me back, she couldn't get anything out of my right arm. And she tried my left arm, nothing. So she called one of the senior, I guess, women. The woman, I talked to her a little bit. She's from Afghanistan, and she was a doctor there. When she came here, I guess there's a whole thing to go through. So she's doing this at this, it's a Dynacare clinic where you go and you can have your blood work done, if you need a pee sample, or if you need an ECG, you can have it done there. So they've had, they ended up putting a warm compress on the crook of my elbow or my arm, I guess, to try and raise the vein up. It didn't really, did it work? And I can't remember which one I ended up. No, it didn't really work. So then she had me, some places don't have you make a fist to raise the vein, but they do there. So she gave me one of the bottles that you use for your urine sample to squeeze. And then you can see she finally did. This woman got it. She used a baby needle to get it. But there you go. I don't know what my other arm looks like. Probably doesn't look that bad. No, just one little spot. And I didn't drink a lot of water today. But, whoa, crazy cat. Yeah, you, Miss Burl. She's looking out the window. What you see, Poo-Poo? They were chasing the laser. It's a star. I think. Did we get that from Temu? I think so. Oh. I think so. And it's rechargeable, so it's plugged in and it's charging. It's lasted quite a while. Quite a while. You can hear it out there.
Oh, what'd you do?
Hubby's on his lap. Oh no, he's on his tablet. He made cheese bread tonight pour moi. So I'll be having a slice of that tomorrow morning. I had a grilled cheese sandwich with it yesterday. The last 2 pieces, it was good. Oh my God. Honestly, I have not been yawning until I turned this phone on to vlog. That's ridiculous. That's a little crooked. Oh well. What you doing there, Pearl girl? Say hi, Auntie Tammy. Psst, psst. Say hi.
Now,
Okay, well, I'm gonna sign off. Now, he's talking about the bread. He's looking up stuff on YouTube, I think. Okay, guys, so if you're getting part of this storm, stay safe, be smart. If they tell you to stay home, stay home. Yeah, and I'll fill you guys in later. Ciao for now.